Hello everyone, welcome to Core Geometry B. I am your teacher for this trimester. My name is Mr. Berge, and we certainly have a unique learning experience that is going to be happening this trimester. I hope to make it as pleasant of an experience as possible for all of us. My goal in this distance learning is to present you the material to be successful. And I will do everything I can to make myself available and to help you learn the material, but of course it does rely on you to learn what I expect you to learn. And so I hope that you have the mindset to do a good job and to try to make the best out of this unique experience. That's what I ask. If you could, please go get your parents so that they could watch this video with you, because this is to educate parents as well as students a little bit of the structure and organization that I have put in place to help you be successful with this class. So first, let me pull up my Google Classroom page. So as you log into Google Classroom, when you click this classwork tab, this is how I've organized everything. The first part at the top is the useful information. I know that there's going to be some confusion that's going to happen on my part as well as your part being the student. And if we ever need to connect, I hope that that could be simple and painless. If you ever need to email me, certainly feel free to email me at joshua.berge@isd423.org. But also in addition to that, if you want to video conference with me, here's this Math Help tab. If you click this virtual teacher document, it shows all of us math teachers. So if you maybe feel more comfortable with a different math teacher and you want to ask them a question, their link will be available on here for you to click, and then you could have a video conference with them. Here's my information. So from 9 to 11 every day at school, if you want to ask me a question, you could click that link, and then you could click this, and that'll bring us to a Zoom meeting where you and I can see each other face to face, and I could hopefully answer any of your questions that way. If you have a question in the afternoon from 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock, here's the link for that. So I hope that maybe settles your mind a little bit, where if you do have any questions, you could certainly click this link, and I would be more than happy to answer any of the questions that you might have. So please take advantage of that. Again, feel free to email me as well. But if you want to have a video conference, that's the place to go. Also under the useful information tab, I have the syllabus located there, as well as a chapter 7 notes packet. Now, hopefully you already have the notes packet as well as the worksheet packet for chapter 7. I made those available for you to come pick up at the high school on March 25th. There was email sent out about that, so hopefully you were able to collect those materials. If you weren't, that's all right. You could click right here and get the notes packet. The worksheet packet, you'll also see how I have that available as well. Let me show you what the notes packet looks like. Oh, sorry about this, everybody. I brought up the wrong notes packet. Here's what your notes packet looks like. So each and every day, I want to make this as simple as possible. I shouldn't say simple, as clear as possible. That's what the word I'm looking for. So for clarity, basically every day, I'm going to ask you to watch a video and take notes on it. And after you've done that, to do a short worksheet on it. Task number 3 you see on day 1 is to check your answers. So for task number 1 on Monday, March 30th, please watch the video. Task number 2, please do the worksheet. Task number 3, check your answers, and you're done with all the work for on that first day of school on Monday, March 30th. Very similar structure on day 2. Watch a video, complete a worksheet, check your answers. And the same thing with day 3 and day 4. Okay, on day 5, I'm just going to have you watch a video, and then after that, there's going to be no worksheet. I just want you to check in with me. Please do that by email, or what I would prefer is that you would do it through Zoom, and so that you and I could have a video conference with each other, and I could check in with you to see how you're understanding things, if you have any questions, that kind of a thing. So that should take us through week 1. Week 2, similar schedule. It's going to be watch a video, do a worksheet, check your answers. That'll bring us all the way until Thursday. Wednesday, we will have completed the learning for chapter 7. So then on Thursday, I'll have you do a short assessment. This will be done through a Google form that you would answer some questions on. There's no school on the second Friday because that is Good Friday, so we don't have school that day. So that should bring us through the first chapter, chapter 7, and then we could tweak things as we go, but this is the structure that I want us to have for this online learning. For the most part, you watch a video, you do a worksheet, ask me questions if you have them, and you can check the answers. After all of this is complete, I would appreciate it if you would have your name signed right here, have your parents sign their name right here after you've completed all these tasks. So once you watch the video, you could check this as done. Once you did the first worksheet, please check this as done, so on and so forth, so that by the end of day 3, you will have completed all of your tasks except the assessment, which I will give that to you that day. So all the tasks should be complete before your first chapter 7 assessment. And the notes package, you'll just follow along each and every day. As I talk in the video lesson, you'll be recording notes. So that's what the notes packet looks like. Now going back to the Google Classroom page. So like I said, on that first day of school, day 1, you will be asked, task number 1, to watch a video and take notes. So you'll click this YouTube link and you'll watch that video. After that, you will do the worksheet. Again, you should have a worksheet packet that you picked up on March 25th at the school. If you don't have it, or if you happen to lose it, I do have the worksheet right here. So you could print this off, or you could just write this on a piece of lined paper. I have no problem with that if you just write it on lined paper as well. So there's the worksheet. You can see here on the worksheet, it does say complete the odd numbered questions on the worksheet. So all I want you to do here is do questions 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on and so forth. And then after you're done, here's the key, so you can check your answers, and that's task 3, to see how you're understanding things. And then you could ask me questions if you have any. Certainly feel free to do the even questions as well. That'd be great to have more practice, but you are only required to do the odd questions. Once you've done those 3 things, you're done with what you need to do on the first day. Day 2, March 31st, watch this video, do this worksheet, check your answers, and do that for each and every day. So hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know, but that's going to bring us through our first chapter. So I hope that this made sense. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at joshua.berge@isd423.org. Or you could click that link to have a Zoom meeting with me so that we could have a conference face-to-face as well. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope that this is a pleasant experience for everybody. I will do my best to make things clear as your teacher. Please also do your best to complete the tasks that I ask you to do. Have a great day. We'll talk to you later.